Hello and welcome to the desk of Fusta 2005. Today we're going to be unboxing the latest Bose noise cancelling earbuds. I believe these are the first ones that Bose has made specifically. I have the over-the-ear ones, the Quiet Comfort 35s that are wireless, but these ones are earbuds. They are noise cancelling, and a little secret. My wife doesn't watch the channel, thankfully, but I did buy these for my wife. She wanted these. They do make another one, which is the Sound Sport wireless earbuds, which they already had a generation previous to that, which I personally own. I'm not quite sure if I will get these new ones, but I did pick this up last month for my wife. I was trying to figure out a way to do an unboxing without ruining the experience for her. So thankfully I can keep this little sleeve on. There used to be a hanger here, so I cut that off. But this is the first time that the box has been opened completely. So let's go ahead and get started. It's pretty easy unboxing. Just have this sleeve here. There is some information on the back, tells you various things about it. There's a transparency mode, which is good because it's noise canceling. If you do happen to wear these for exercising, personally I would recommend the Sound Sport because they're a little bit more water resistant, I think, and this one does say it's weather resistant too. So I guess you can do whichever one you'd like. I don't know why there's two different kinds now. Why don't you just add noise canceling to the Sound Sports? Well, anyway, these are actually about $100 more than the Sound Sports are. So it has up to 12 hours, and it is QI or Qi certified wireless charging. It does also come with a USB, I believe. So here we go. This is pretty much it. We've got the case, the Bose case. So let's see what else is in the box. First, I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible because again, I don't want to ruin the experience for my wife. So looks like we have just some a manual here. And in here we have, looks like we have the USB cable. And then we also have two different sets of the silicone ear, I don't know what to call them. They grab onto your ear, make sure it doesn't fall out. These are pretty good for that. So once again, I'm gonna take everything out because I'm gonna let my wife do that. But just wanted to let you guys in on that. I'm gonna try to put everything back in here the way it was. Cool. So let's take a look in the case real quick here. We'll set the box aside. So, I mean, I have the Sound Sports. This is actually a little bit shorter in length. Sorry for being out of frame. The Sound Sports are the case is a little bit shorter. This one is compared to my last generation Sound Sports. Similar setup, so you push the button and it should. These ones apparently have not been charged at all, but you can push it and the light comes on. It also acts as the, oh, I guess it doesn't tell you what it is until you open it. That's kind of weird. On my last generation Sound Sports, that was quite different. So looks like you have to open the case and then maybe close it, and then you can see the power. That whatever. It's not a huge deal, but it is what it is. It kind of has a springy case, so you can just pop it open here. And as you can see, that's the earbuds. They do also come with a silicone holder for your ear on them. I don't know. It's a number 2. I'm assuming there's a 1 and a 3 in the box. So there's that. It is magnetic. So there's a little magnet here, magnet connector. Sorry. And then there's the connectors that it sits on the device. So it looks like it'll automatically keep going. Looks like it's looking for a Bluetooth source. I'm not going to set that up, but you can also do the Bluetooth connecting with this button inside. That's pretty much it for the case and the buds. I'm not going to really try them on because it's not going to be mine. Hopefully I'm not putting too many fingerprints on this. She will find me out. Anyway, so it does have Qi wireless charging. If you have a let me try this out real quick here. I have a Qi charger on my computer if you've watched my previous videos. So I'm gonna put it there. Oh, it works. It totally works. Alright, so you can use any Qi charger to charge the case. And it also comes with appears to be a USB-C connector that you can use to charge it as well. So if you're out and about, maybe even though newer cars these days have both USB-C capability as well as Qi charging in most cases, you can pick and choose. So if you happen to be in an airport, even though I don't know, you have options. I would personally go for the Qi charging because that's just a cool thing to do. And you just set it there. Although you don't get the added benefit of if somebody tries to grab it, it's going to be at least attached by a cord. But anyway, that's about it. I have some other things that I purchased for Black Friday that I will be doing a video on, so we'll catch you guys later.